Now we can see that right here it's linking us to a Google page. Can you see? Which means it's likely either the browser is wrong because of our IP. Now you have to confirm again. You go back, copy this or this other link, find out which one is the correct link for you. Now we'll click on this again. Let's see where it will take us to. So I'm showing you something for you to confirm the particular link that you are going to use for your promotion. Now can you see the link? Because I saw somebody discussing in one video tutorial that you have to copy this link. Now where did it take us to? It takes us to what? A banner image. Can you see? So that is not the right link for us to do what? To use. Now let's copy this and go with this. Now we go back, confirm, then let's see where it will take us to. So right here we'll wait for it to load and see if actually it will take us to the link or the page that we saw on the website. So that is to tell you that yes, it is actually a good site. So you can see what is going on. It's redirecting us to a Google page, okay, which is not what we want. Now let's look for another offer that will not give us this kind of strikes. So let's look for another offer. Let's assume which offer do we go for? The highest is $5. Okay, we're going for US. Any of the US offer, then this one is still okay. 1.7 conversion rate. That's click-through rate. Now wait for it to open. Alright, then we scroll down to copy our link and see what it will give us again. So here we copy the link. We also go to confirm. Let's see where it's taking us to. So right here, just because why we're experiencing this issue is because our country is not in the United States. Are you getting it? So if we're to be in US, immediately you open that, it will do what? It will take you to the link. So what you do now is you copy any of this, you copy your link, then we go to stage 2. Stage 2, what are you going to do in stage 2? Very simple. Go to your Chrome browser, search for app for Instagram with DM. Are you getting it? So the moment you search for this app for Instagram with DM, then it will load this page. Then you look for the one we are going to. Okay, let's go for this first one. Okay, this one with Chrome. Chrome.com/install details where we have a web store, the one that will link us to web store. Now let's go for this. Now from here you wait for it to go, so you can see chrome.com/web store detail the app. Now here it is. So right here, app for Instagram with what? DM. You do what? Add to Chrome. If you have not logged in, you log in first, okay? So an error occurred. There was a problem adding this to Chrome. Reload. Now if you see, I've already added this to Chrome before, okay? So you can see it here. I have the okay, it's not there. Oh, where am I? Okay, then Chrome Web Store DM. So add to store. Reload. Alright, let's go for any other one that's related to this extension. Instagram. So let's take a look at other extensions, but in your own case it will open. I think the issue I'm having here is for my browser because I was able to work with it this morning. So Instagram extension with DM. Okay, app for Instagram with DM. Let's go for this. Let's try this first. So you can see an error occurs. Still the same thing. App for Instagram support, infinite dashboard. So I don't know why my own is giving me issue here. Okay, so your own supposed to enter. The moment you do it, it will enter, and then you'll be able to access it. Okay, so once you do that, then you proceed your login with what? The Instagram right on your PC. But if you don't have if you are working with Android phone or a mobile phone, it is good. So with mobile phone, you'll be able to do what I wanted to show you. But right here now, this is giving me issue, so I cannot proceed to the next stage. Okay, so reset filter, add this, the same thing, the same issue. Probably because of okay, let me switch up, disconnect this and see if that is the issue. Alright, now let's try again. Can you see the issue? So it was the VPN that was causing the problem. So right here, as I disconnected and wait for it to add, you can see it has already added it. So welcome and thank you for installing our Chrome extension. That's it. So the moment you have installed it, the next thing you are going to do is you click on this. Once you click on the extension app for Instagram, you click continue. Then here you log into your account, your Instagram account on desktop. Sign up with this. Sorry, not sign up. Should be signed in. This is sign up. This is sign in. Now I try to sign in. No. So now you click on login to access your Instagram. Alright, so you move on. Can you see it? So we are live on Instagram. Okay. So right here now, good, we are done, and here you can see we'll be able to message anybody at all. You can see like the messages, the ones I sent earlier on. Can you see it now? So this is what we are going to do. Now what you do is you look at it. Let me quickly look at the message I sent, so for you to have a complete understanding everything what I'm telling you. Okay, now this is the message I sent to some persons. So you can see I said, hey dear, I saw you like to work. Now this is the message and this is the link I'm promoting. Are you getting it? So what I'm going to do is look at this offer that will pay them $25 for sign up. Are you getting it? Now what is going to happen here, this is from a different account again. Now what I do is you go back to your Instagram search bar, boom, then you click on search. Now right on search, you search for, let's say, make money online.